Hello guys, welcome to AI with Funzi. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a working method of actually accessing Google Veo 3 for free, just for 1 month. Yes, so that right, I used my own method and this actually worked and I decided to come and share it with you guys. Watch this video to the end because as this tutorial progresses, I'm going to show you how I was able to solve the issue of my African debit card being rejected. Yes, some people usually encounter that issue, but towards this video or towards the end of this video, you're going to see how I was able to resolve it and it then works for me.
Alright guys, getting started. You can see that I'm currently making this video today being July 9, 2025. So I'm going to head over to my Google Play Store, and then once my Google Play Store is open, I'm going to search for a browser. Yes, we are not using the Google Chrome. We are going to use Opera browser with AI. This is it over here. I'll tap on it and then I'm going to install it into my mobile phone. This will not take up to few seconds to install. So guys, we have installed this app. So what I'm going to do is to tap on open. You must have accepted the terms and condition and all that. You can actually cancel this very one. So on the interface right now, we are using this Opera browser with AI just to protect our browsing. I don't really want to call the name as it is, just for us to protect our browsing, you get. So I'm going to tap on this very place here, and then you can see this very option, this very one here. You can see that it's turned off, so we have to turn it on because this Opera browser with AI has its own inbuilt browsing protection. That's this. So I'm going to tap on it. So you can see it is already connected, and as you can see is now activated as it's reading here. So I'm going to tap on got it. I've confirmed that our browsing is secured. At the search option here, you're going to then search for VEO3. So guys, as you can see at this very interface it brings to us, you can see we are not yet signed in into any Google account, so it's good as it is like this. So we're going to let us sign in into Google Veo 3 with another email address. So by now you must have created a fresh email address you want to use to access this Google Veo 3. Hope you get. So just scroll down and you can see where it writes Google DeepMind Veo 3, this very one. Just tap on it and you see where it also writes try in Gemini and try in Flow. We want to try it in Flow, so you tap on try in Flow. So this is the interface which it gives to us. So you have to scroll down to the very last part. Just scroll down. So when you scroll down to this very last part, this is what you're going to see right here. So what you're going to do is that you have to tap on this get offer. You can see it's available in over 70 countries. So tap on get offer. Since we have tapped on that get offer, this is where it now takes us to. Like I said earlier, you must have created an email address, like a Gmail address you want to use to access this Google Veo 3. So this is now where you're going to input in your email address. Make sure you know the password because they'll ask of the password also. So this is my email address and I'm going to tap on next. So this is the next interface. It's asking me to put in my password. As you can see, I've inputted in my password. I'll tap on next also. This is the next interface we have. You can see it right here. Upgrade to Google AI Pro for access to a new AI filming tool, and you can see what it's right here. $0 for 1 month. You can see that this initial price was strike through. You can see it. So make sure that this very one you are seeing on your own, that the initial price is strike through. If the initial price is not strike through, please do not proceed to make payments. You get me? So do is to tap on get Google AI Pro. So guys, you see what shows up after we have tapped that. You can see what it writes here. It says add a payment method to your Google account to start your free trial. So you can add any payment method, add your card, debit or credit card, redeem code, add PayPal and so on. So make sure that you remove this payment before August 9th, 2025. If you do this, it means that after August 9th, 2025, your account, like, they won't charge your account. But if for instance you forgot to remove this, they are actually going to charge your account. So on this very page, minimize it and go to your Google Play Store, because that's the place we are going to add our card details. So this is the way you can actually prevent that card rejection thing. So guys, I'm on my Google Play Store right now. So I'm going to tap on this icon right here. And then you see what it's right. This email address is not the one I'm using currently. So I have to change it. So I'll tap on this icon and search for the email address that I'm currently using to create Google Veo3. So this is it right here. I'm going to open it up, accept the terms and condition. And you can see right now, this is the email address I'm using to create my Google Veo 3. So I'm going to still tap on that icon. So once I tap on that icon, you see where it writes payment and subscription. I'll tap on that and I'll add a payment method. So this is where you're going to add your payment method, not at that site of Google Veo 3. So I'm going to tap here, add credit or debit card. This particular email address, you have already linked it to our Google Play Store. We've already linked our card to it. So this very place, we're going to tap on Get Google AI Pro. So tap on Agree. You're going to see right here this, you can see it. So tap on Subscribe. Wow guys, as you can see, this has actually worked. Is now subscribed. So if you try it once it didn't work, try it again, it must definitely work. As you can see, this is the next option that comes out. You have got access to AI video generation in Flow Pro. So you just have to tap on Go to Flow. So once you get to this interface, you're going to see where it writes sign in with Google. So sign in using the Gmail account you used to create Google Veo 3. So once you are done with that, you can start using Google Veo 3 for free just for 1 month, and it will give you about 1000 credits. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you on my next video.